Well, I began my career in the auto business as third generation. My grandfather began the automobile career for all of us in 1926, and he started as an Oldsmobile dealer in Morgan, Utah. My father came in about 1959 to decide whether he wanted to stay in coaching and teaching at Morgan High School or whether he wanted to begin the car business as my grandfather had suggested he do.
I started as a lot boy for Dad at the Layton store. It was exciting. I mean, it was always exciting. Back in that day, they had a new car showing for every year that the new cars came. And so we looked forward as kids to the day we got to go down and see the new cars. I started when I was 25 selling for my dad, and K.O. at the time was the finance manager.
When two of us, my brother Blake and I, came into the business in Layton, my two cousins came into the business in Layton, we felt like Olson Chevrolet wasn't big enough for all four of us. And in 1982, began Murdoch Chevrolet here in Woods Cross, Utah. And then from there, my dad and my brother Blake and I, we expanded, acquiring Hyundai stores in Linden, in Murray, and Logan. And since that time, we've also acquired the Volkswagen store in Logan and the General Motors store in Logan. So now we have 6 dealerships and have just succeeded in retiring and selling our business to the 4th generation, my son Tyson and my nephews Blake and Ben.
Over the last 5-6 years, we've been working in conjunction with Blake and K.O. and really focused on creating a foundation that is unlike anything else in the auto industry.
Right now, the state of the business is actually really good. Probably the most stable that we've ever been as an organization. Even with COVID and different things like that, we were able to fine-tune some of our processes with sales and with service, and it allowed us to have a really good year. And so this year, 2020, I think is our highest volume year, the most amount of cars that we've ever sold before, as a group, as a whole.
Well, Murdoch is in a great place, in my opinion. What other car dealership can you walk into and have access to a Murdoch right off the bat? One of the Murdochs is willing to talk to you to make sure that we're providing the best services that we can to our guests. And so we're just really proud of what's happened all over the state and all of our brands.
We are genuinely focused on growth every single day, year over year, month over month, and we have metrics that everybody on our auto team is aware of, whether that's in fixed operations, the service department, or parts department, as well as our sales departments.
And so efficiency is the key. How can we be on the cutting edge of that? Everything that happens, the processes throughout the dealership, specifically with the customer and the guest experience, how can we make that more efficient as we move forward so people aren't waiting as long, so the car buying experience doesn't take as long?
A lot of great things are in store. We've always wanted to be a dealership that provided a one-stop shopping experience. Customers used to have to come in, they'd have to sign their paperwork here, then go to the lending institution, sign their paperwork there, bring back a check from the lender. A big to-do when they bought a car, and then we solved that problem obviously with indirect lending through the credit unions. So now about the last conversation that a customer has to have before their transaction is complete is they have to go talk to their insurance agent. And so we've solved that problem by establishing the Murdoch Insurance Group. About half the time I've found so far been able to either save our customers money or give them better coverage for the same money that they've been paying with their current carrier.
We rely on them to continue to come back and service their vehicles with us and buy vehicles for their kids and their family members, and as that's happened, we've really been able to create a really successful business.
But the most important thing in the dealership is our people. Our commitment to you is we're going to do everything that we can to ensure that you can provide for your families, to make sure that you love the environment that you work in, but also one that you can truly grow, that you can reach your goals in. And we really feel strongly about that we want to move forward with you in those aspects.
Thank you to all of our employees. We love you and we appreciate you, and we look forward to a great future together, and thanks for all you do to make our auto team great.
As we are moving forward, we're introducing a new mission statement, we're introducing new core values, even new standards that we live and work by. We are launching a new brand image, and a new logo and a new icon. And we didn't want to lose the legacy of the heart and what it means to our family and what it means to our organization. So as we roll out this new brand, there's a few things that are going to come with it. That's new signage, updated facilities. We have 2 new dealerships under construction. That's a campus that will sell 500 cars a month just out of that location. And our new mission is, when you walk through our doors, you feel like family. And that's for everybody. That's our team members, that when they come to work, they feel like they're part of a family, they're part of a team, they're part of something bigger than themselves, that they're excited to be here and excited to be a part of that. And as we move forward, although things may look different and feel different, which we hope they do, because times are changing, the industry's changing, and we want to make sure we're on the forefront of that. The things that we want to make sure that everybody knows on our team is the important parts, the core values of our organization, they're not changing. They're only improving and becoming stronger and better.